She calls her son. Husband comes with a glass of water holding in his hands. Mother-in-law sprinkles some water on Sudha, then she wakes. They take Sudha to hospital. Then husband explains the incident happened to the doctor. Doctor checks Sudha. Congrats, you are pregnant. Congrats, she is pregnant. Really? Congratulations, she is pregnant. Doctor, who is it? It is a girl or a boy? No, we should not say. They take Sudha to home. After a week, husband while coming from office called doctor to his house to check Sudha. Sudha offers coffee to her mother-in-law. Stop. I don't want a girl child. I want a boy child. Okay. She cries and goes. How are you, Sudha? How are you, Sudha? Yes, I am fine. I don't want a girl child. I want a boy child. In this way, she scolds Sudha. Gender determination will be done by male, not by female. Father is responsible for the baby. Mother-in-law goes with arrogance. Everyone should understand that they came from one's mother womb. Hence, we should not kill a girl child. Doctor goes. Today, girl child is not a burden, mom. They are the future and strength of every family. Please, mom, agree whether it is a girl or a boy. Okay. She understands the value of a girl child. After 15 years, mother is preparing lunch in the kitchen, father is reading newspaper, then the children comes home. Daughter enters home with her report card and prize. She gives report card to her father, then give her prize to him. He ignores her and leave it aside. Then son enters home with his report card. Even though son got less marks than his daughter, he appreciates his son. I wanted to join in college. Okay. I too wanted to join in a college. Father ignores her. Suddenly, a faculty from college come home to take admission of girl child as she is topper. Namaste sir, I am from a college. I got to know that your daughter has ranked first in her school. So we want you to join her in our college. No, I don't want to make her study. Anyway, she'll get married and go. Why are you thinking in a wrong way? In this situation, it is very important to educate a girl. If we give money, it will be spent. But if we give education, it will be with her forever and make her independent. Educated women are helping their families financially. In this competitive world, every girl gets right to education. Yes, ma'am, you are right. I have a wrong opinion on girls' education. Now, I will make my daughter to read well. He understands the value of girl education.
One girl child, one teacher, one book, one pen. can change the world.
The problems faced by women in daily life. Two colleagues sitting in the office are busy with their work.
Okay, my work is done. I'm leaving. Are you coming? I have some work. You carry on. Okay, bye. Take care of yourself. Nowadays, night travelings are not good.
Half an hour later, Meera packs her bag and goes to bus stand.
Oh, I'm late again. No bus or auto. What to do?
At a distance, some cruel boys were eyeing on her. Hey, look at that beauty, and that too all alone. Come, let's have fun. The boys go near Meera. Then she starts moving away from them. Meera understands the intention of the boys and presses Disha app while walking.
Stop. Don't you dare to come near me.
What can you do? And goes near to Meera. The moment they came near her, there was a police van approaching towards them.
Yes, now your game is up. Have fun in the prison. Nowadays, you can't do girls teasing. So, this is how girl was saved. But do you all girls know how to protect yourself? You can protect yourself by calling Disha app just by dialing 112. You can always carry one black pepper spray. Don't remain outside till late hours. Maintain good dress code. Thank you.
Namaste to respected chief guests, principal, teachers and my dear friends. Today we all have gathered here to celebrate Women's Day. International Women's Day started during the great unrest of 1908 in the city of New York. International Women's Day is the day for women, which is celebrated to honor women all over the world on 8 March every year. This is a special day to celebrate achievements achieved by women in social and political life to emphasize gender equality. It is celebrated all over the world to increase awareness about women for their rights, contribution, importance of education, livelihood, etc. People usually wear purple ribbon during this auspicious day. This day memorizes us to end all forms of violence against women and girls, including trafficking, sexual exploitation, and etc. It is generally celebrated to honor the entire female fraternity, to appreciate their actions, to show love and respect for them. We have to respect women not because of their gender, because of their own identity. It is the woman who brings life. Every woman is special, not matter where she works, at home or in office. Women are the backbone of any developing society. The first and foremost issue that a girl is facing is a child marriage. It leads to psychological, social, mental and physical issues by that young girl. People should start believing that motherhood is an option and the decision solely depends on the woman. The woman is the one who is wonderful, outstanding, marvelous, adorable and nice to the situation she faces and comes out like a flying colors. Girl with dream, become woman with vision. Happy Women's Day. Thank you.